Top 5 tomato diseases and how to beat them for bigger yields. The silent killers destroying your tomato profits. Here are the 5 disease destroyers and your victory strategies. Welcome, dedicated tomato farmers, vegetable production warriors, and guardians of your agricultural investments. Today, I am going to expose the 5 most devastating enemies of tomato profitability. Diseases so destructive that they silently destroy 40 to 90% of potential yields, while farmers watch helplessly, costing the average tomato farmer 2 to 6 million shillings annually in lost production, emergency chemical applications, and complete crop failures that wipe out entire seasons and investments. Right now, at this very moment, one or more of these killers might already be establishing in your tomato field, beginning their exponential multiplication that will culminate in catastrophic losses within weeks unless you recognize the symptoms, understand the biology, and implement the battle-tested control strategies I am about to share. The shocking truth is that tomato diseases are not random acts of agricultural bad luck that farmers must passively accept. They are predictable, preventable, beatable enemies that elite farmers have learned to defeat consistently, protecting their yields and maximizing profits, while their neighbors lose entire crops, wondering what went wrong and why their hard work produced nothing but wilted plants and rotted fruits. Imagine investing 200,000 to 400,000 shillings in land preparation, quality seed, transplant, fertilizers, irrigation, and staking for 1 acre tomato crop, working 5 months, tending your plants daily, watching them grow beautifully. Then within 2 weeks of what should be peak harvest, a disease outbreak devastates your field, reducing your projected 600 crate harvest to just 150 crates of poor quality fruits. You have lost 75% of your income, your entire profit margin, and possibly your ability to repay loans or feed your family because you didn't recognize these early disease symptoms and didn't know how to respond effectively when the attack began. This nightmare scenario plays out on thousands of tomato farmers every season, yet it is completely preventable because every major tomato disease has specific early warning signs that allow intervention before catastrophic losses occur. And every disease has proven control strategies that, when implemented properly, can reduce losses from 70 to 90% down to 5 to 15%. Manageable losses that will allow profitable harvest rather than farm-destroying devastation. The farmers consistently achieving between 600 to 800 crate harvests per acre, earning 6 to 8 million shillings, while you are struggling with 150 crate disease-devastated harvests, earning 1.5, aren't farming in disease-free location or using organic chemicals unavailable to you. They have simply learned to recognize these 5 disease enemies the moment they appear, understand exactly how each disease operates and spreads, and implement specific control protocols that stop outbreaks before they become unstoppable catastrophes. Today, You are receiving that same life-saving knowledge completely free, and starting immediately, you will know how to identify each disease from its earliest symptoms, understand the critical windows for effective intervention, implement prevention strategies that stop diseases before they start, and deploy control measures that protect your yields when diseases do appear. This isn't about becoming a plant pathologist or memorizing scientific names. This is about recognizing your enemies, understanding their weaknesses, and systematically defeating them to protect the yields and profits you have been working for so hard to produce. Let's meet these 5 disease killers face to face, learn their secrets, and discover exactly how to beat them forever. Subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell. We publish comprehensive agricultural guides, disease management videos, variety reviews, troubleshooting contents, advanced techniques, and farmer success stories weekly. Contents potentially adding thousands of dollars to your annual farming income. Return regularly because agricultural science continuously advances and evolves. New research, refined management techniques, innovative solutions emerge constantly, and improved storage technologies emerge constantly. Consistent learning separates continuously improving farmers from those stuck in outdated methods. Remember to like this video, comment with your story and commitments, share with farming networks, subscribe for weekly agricultural education, and turn on notifications. Your engagement transforms not just your farm, but entire agricultural communities worldwide. Together, we are building a global movement of prosperous, sustainable farmers, proving that with knowledge and commitment, agricultural prosperity is achievable to everyone. Welcome to your farming transformation. Let's make it extraordinary. Let's look at top 5 tomato diseases and how to beat them for bigger yields. Disease killer number 1. Click the link on the description below and watch these very inspiring killer diseases and their control strategies. Thank you.